Hey traders! What if you could predict price movements using just two averages? Welcome back. In today's video, we will see what the moving average crossover is, and how you can automate a strategy using this indicator using SpeedBot. Let's get started. Imagine two lines on a chart. One line is for the average price over the last 50 days, and the other is for the average price over the last 200 days. When the short-term line 50-day crosses above the long-term line 200-day, it might signal that the price is going up, also known as bullish crossover. If the short-term line crosses below the long-term line, it might mean the price is going down, also known as bearish crossover. This is called moving average crossover. It's a way to try to predict future price movements, but it's not always accurate. Let us automate a strategy using SpeedBot. For this strategy, we will use an equity bot. Let the name be moving average crossover. The interval will be 15 minutes. For this, we will use Apple stocks. And continue. Next is to set entry and exit condition. We will take a long entry into this strategy. Now to set the entry condition. For entry, we will use the moving average indicator with line 20, and when that line crosses above 50, we will take entry. Next is to decide on exit conditions. Again, for exit condition, we will use the moving average indicator. But for the exit, we will set when the moving average with 20 crosses below the moving average of 50, we will take the exit. And further, we will also add stop loss, with 10 points as the target and 10 points for stop loss. And continue. Let us decide on which type of position to take. Position sizing will be quantity-based. And value 3, order type market, and holding type, CNC/NRML. And continue. Our strategy is ready. It is time to backtest it. For backtesting, we will take capital of $1,000. And dates range from January 1st, 2023 to September 24th, 2024. Now save and backtest. Our backtesting report is ready. SpeedBot provides the detailed backtesting report. If you are not satisfied with this strategy, you can always change it and backtest it till you are satisfied.